welcome back. So today we have another special unboxing for you guys to check it out. This one is an unusual unboxing. So we were at the Boiling Point hot pot place. So we had to scan the QR code for the menu, and somehow this thing caught my eye. This is the Boiling Point sauce jar. Original retail price on this was like $9.99, and I saw it $2. But some of the picture looks kind of different and then attractive to me. So at first when we sat down, I asked the first waitress. So I say, "Do you guys have this in stock?" So she told me she would need to check it in the back to see if in stock. And then on that first waitress came back and told me that they do have it. So after we were eating and almost finished, and then I asked the second waitress again, because the picture doesn't really say anything. So I really want to see the sample, but they don't have anything to show you as a sample. So I said, okay, go ahead and let me have one. So because they were running a special. But the second waitress said she would need to check it and make sure they have it in stock. I said, what are you talking about? The first waitress just told me that you guys have it. Anyways, long story short, so I finally got this, which is pretty excited. And I want to share this with you guys. So it says Boiling Point. My Boiling Point sauce jar. And it says 2-in-1 cover plus scoop, airtight and leak proof, food grade. So I was kind of surprised. The jar is made out of hard glass and a plastic cap and spoon. Has a 280 milliliter capacity. And right here is the barcode. So yeah, they have this special bubble wrap. Oh my god, I didn't know there's a sticker. That is cool. Just a sticker alone worth like what? More than $2. Savory, yum yum, enjoy. So I guess you could put this onto the jar. I love BP. Zan. Nice. That is very nice. This means excellent or good or perfect. Let's cook. Bean paste. Bon appetit, barbecue sauce, hashtag let's get boiling. So I guess the sticker is for you to stick it on this glass jar. So there's like a scoop or the spoon inside there. So it's rubber seal tight with a leak proof. So you scoop the sauce and then put it on your plate or whatever, or your soup. So yeah, this is pretty nice. You got the rubber ring right here. The white part that's made out of rubber. So yeah, I don't think those are pre-cut. Oh yeah, maybe it is pre-cut. I can see the lines. This is a pretty nice, high quality spoon. Smooth. There's no, well, right here on around the side, a little bit rough edges where the molding goes. Well, there you have it. There's a little groove right here. I gotta get it out. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any other comments down below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.